Welcome back to another episode of Good Things Auto, where today we're taking the Turbo E36 drifting at the best track, or one of the best tracks in the United States, Polecat. We just have to fix two of the teammates' cars and then fix a bunch of shit on this and paint a fender, and we are ready to go. Let's go ahead and jump in. Not much to it today. Let's just fix some cars and go drifting.
I take the
mystery.
Something's going on with this. He had to roll it into the shop by turning it on the starter.
All right, back on the ground. That clutch did not show many signs of issues, so we have Nelson's car on our plate as well. We got him a power steering kit. We're gonna run it down to his factory lines, put it right here, make it all kind of look nice like that. I'm sore, so I'm not gonna be bending over and pulling off this tire. I can just literally do it with decided to get a little one as a pilot hole, and I have another one as well. I mean, that looks pretty great. Let's go ahead and fill it up and bleed it and see how it does. Look at them. All right, guys. Now to work on that. Oh, fuck. Let's fiberglass this fender real quick, let it dry, sand it down, and get that painted so that we're ready to go for tomorrow morning. I got like 3 layers filling the hole or more that was missing, and like the cracks that I opened up. And then I laid a couple of sheets over the top. It's dry enough that I can peel this tape. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty damn good. Okay, see, I can work with that. All of a sudden, that's easy. We can sand this down. It's getting very smooth too. All the way around. A light skim over all the areas that had that fiberglass consistency. I don't have any fiberglass filler with me here, so we're just gonna make this work. I don't even have red paint. We're out of red paint, so I'm gonna grab my favorite Rust-Oleum paint that looks like Hellrot, and we're gonna do that and then clear coat it. Little secret as well. Did I mention every paint store is closed? I really looked everywhere, but I did find my Rust-Oleum Sunrise Red. This is the one that gets me as close as I can to Hellrot. See, a little test shot. And while we let that Bondo dry, I'm hanging my motor and tearing my turbo back apart because that little fitting right there was loose underneath the AN and was leaking. Fender's cleaned up. Let's go ahead and shoot this, find some clear coat, and go drifting, man. Between everyone's cars and then this and then the unexpected leak, I'm tired. So let's just get this painted, cleared, get this all put together, see how it looks, and figure out what else we need to do before we get ethanol and head to the track. Remember, this fender was blown apart and we're doing this in like 12 hours. And the fact that that looks as good as it does is pretty cool with me. We'll do one more coat there. I found some clear coat up on the shelf. Unlike that Hellrot paint, this was in good condition, so we can use it. So we will bury this in some clear, and I think it's gonna look pretty damn good, all things considered. All right, doing fine. Check this out. That looks good. Next up, quickly, is this 315. I actually had to paint mark the bottom and one of them and spin to check because honestly, I don't know which is which anymore. All right, let's clean this up. This is ready on both sides. We'll throw it in the trunk and take it with us just in case we need a 315 at this track. Hopefully I can just use the 391 and grab 4th though. That would be sweet. It's like 4:30 and we're on the way out. Don't you love just cars sitting in the middle of the road facing the wrong direction? You're going to jail. All right, guys, we are here and we just dropped off our trailer.
let's go ahead and get the car set up. I know we're gonna have to do a few fixes. That oil leak just can't be totally fixed. So we're gonna take a look at that and a couple other things, do a bolt check on the rear end, and then not much talking today. We'll just go get some laps. Oh my God. What the fuck? All right. Let's do this walk real quick. Hi, buddy. Yo, and then let's go drifting.
That's it, guys. We did it. Nobody broke. Everyone had one hell of a season ender. This was by far the best track we've ever driven. I mean it. I mean it. I know we didn't do much talking today because there wasn't much to do. Dude, we drove our hearts out. I'm just so thankful. Where's my trailer? All right. The car is home, safe and sound. I'm really, really thankful that the red car finally gave me a win here, because we've been fighting this thing for a really long time. But all weekend, coolant temps, perfect. Coolant pressure, perfect. Coolant level, perfect. All of that was good. The oil temps and everything were good. There was one leak we found that we thought was that turbo that I had fixed prior, but it turned out it was just the valve cover dripping. So that's a win, because we got to take the valve cover off and torque these head studs again now. So red car's in a good place now, hopefully. We can refresh the exterior in a couple of weeks, because quite honestly, as you can tell, the car really needs a refresh. As much as I think it looks incredible as it is officially gone past patina and it is bad paint. So we will go ahead and tear that apart eventually, prep all the panels, and we'll try and get a really nice straight paint job on that, because it's pretty beat up. That being said, it's officially time to start doing some content on this thing, I think. So, doing a link ECU and a wiring specialties harness on this one. It will be more reliable. It will be on E85, so it might make the same or more power than it currently does, like 450, 460 wheel. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The red car really did treat us well today. See you guys next time.